Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we're at the east side of Korea, looking at this beautiful landscape. Earth's natural beauty. Listening to classical music. This is so beautiful. It's relaxing. It's calming. It's soothing. There are so much things to explore, to enjoy, to witness, to experience. Nature, beautiful nature. This is beautiful. It is spiritual. It's natural. It's clean. It's pure. Nature in its best form. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.